Hello, friends. Today, Anna and Kelly are going on a fun supermarket adventure. They are happy and excited. They want to buy food for their home. Let's go with them and enjoy this fun day. First, Anna and Kelly are at home. They're making a shopping list. Anna writes apples, bananas, milk, bread, and chicken on the paper. Kelly points at the pictures and helps Anna. Now, they are ready to go shopping. Anna and Kelly arrive at the supermarket. The supermarket is big and colorful. Anna takes a shopping basket. Kelly looks around with excitement. There are many things to see inside. First, they go to the fruit section. They see red apples and yellow bananas. Kelly holds an apple and smiles. Anna checks the fruits carefully. They choose fresh apples, bananas, and some oranges.
Look, Kelly, these are fresh cucumbers. Very good for our health.
Wow, can we buy them?
Next, they walk to the vegetable section. Anna shows Kelly green lettuce and cucumbers. Kelly touches a cucumber gently. Anna says vegetables are healthy. They put lettuce and cucumbers in the basket. Now, they go to the bakery. They see fresh bread on the shelves. The bread is warm and smells very good. Kelly smells the bread and feels happy. Anna picks some bread for the basket.
We have to be very careful with these, see?
After that, they go to the dairy section. They take milk from the shelf. Anna carefully picks up the eggs. She tells Kelly that eggs break easily. Kelly listens and learns to be careful. Kelly is a very good helper today. Kelly feels proud and happy. Helping makes shopping more fun. Now it is time to pay. Anna and Kelly go to the checkout counter. Anna scans each item by herself. The machine reads the prices automatically. The cashier watches and smiles. They pack the groceries carefully. Anna and Kelly return home. They put the groceries in the kitchen. Anna puts the milk in the fridge. Kelly puts the fruits in a bowl. Everything looks neat and clean. Anna and Kelly smile together. They had a fun day at the supermarket. They learned new English words. Shopping can be fun and helpful. See you next time.